Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you a new resource that I've added to the Good Web Business resources, and that business is called Post Ads Today, where you can post your items for sale, services or business. And what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page. So all you'll need to do is click on Post an Ad. And then from there, you'll see there's different listings and categories you can use. So that's just saying this example, go to services. You can select any of these down here. So let's say we just go to small businesses, and then you've also got a sub-selection as well of different categories which you can use. You can either leave it on there or you can select one of those, go to select category. And then from here, we just scroll up. Actually, from here, you can view the plans that I've got on offer. But what I would suggest you do is pick the free one to start with, 31 days, 3 pictures, 1 video. I'm also offering a featured listing as well. So if we go here and apply that, from there, you'll need to add your price and then your currency, add a description, and you can also put a link to your website or product in here as well. Then you've got your location, so pick your location, country, state, city, postcode or zip code. If you don't want to put your address on, just delete it out. And here you can drag and drop your files and browse your media on your computer. You can add up to 3 pictures, 1 video in it. You can also add a YouTube link. And then when you've done all that, what you can do is sign up. Just drop your name and your email in there and look at the privacy policy. Click that if you agree, and then post an ad. And then what I'll do, I'll send you an email with the details of how to log into your advertising control dashboard. So anyway, thanks for looking, and I'll see you on the next video.